Hey guys, what's up? So today in this video I will show how to fix your Gigabyte joystick problem. This problem caused many issue, but finally I fixed this problem. It's little bit issue. Okay, so don't worry, you can fix it easily. Don't need to go service center. Okay, it's not your physical issue, it's not your technical issue, it's about a little bit feature on, that's why isn't work. Okay, so let's go. So here is my Gigabyte 24-inch monitor. Here is a joystick. This joystick functionally work 4 direction: right, left, upper or down. So today in this video I will show how to fix your down button or upper button. Down button it's picture mode, or upper button kindly maybe contrast. So let's go. First of all, going to setting option. So here you can see a picture mode is disabled because of our picture button isn't work. So let's fix it. Here I find first of all going display input, system and quick switch button. So here you can see up button is a contrast, and is the down button is my picture mode. Okay, so let's press the down button. I think you hear my button sound, it's isn't work my picture mode. So why this picture mode isn't work in Gigabyte monitor? So it's easy to fix it. So first of all, going to your setting. So my I have a 2 monitor, that's why I extended my display. So don't worry, I have one PC. So first of all, going to your display setting, and here you can see your HDR option. Okay, so turn off your HDR option. So here you can see I am already turned off my HDR. Here you can see my monitor HDR is disabled right now. So let's go. So guys, boom, here is my picture mode. Here I access lot of things in my picture mode. So I suggest standard is perfect for me. So here is the issue, guys. You must be off your HDR mode, and then after sometimes later, like 2 minutes or 1 minute, it takes time. So then you can access your all the buttons. So thanks for watching this video. I hope all you are enjoying this. Thank you.